So it's New Year's Eve 2024, and since I have this tradition of making like a video at the end of the year summarizing what's been happening and my plan for the next year, I felt like, even though I'm just out on a run, I felt like I need to make a pause to just make a quick video because I want to keep up this tradition, and I didn't plan that well this year. So 2024 has been a different year. To my own surprise, I started feeling really bored creatively. In the beginning of the year, I experimented a lot with different ways of filming my videos, different aspect ratios, and I tried to learn some color grading. And I think I was just bored creatively because I've been doing the same kind of videos for a very long time now. And I found some happiness in that. And then when summer came, as you might remember, I just got bored with macro photography altogether, although that has been my biggest passion in life for like this last 7 years. And that came as a surprise to me as well. But my guiding star, if that is a valid expression, has always been to do what makes me happy, do what makes me feel excited every day, no matter what that is. And when I wasn't feeling excited about macro photography anymore, I just decided to take a break and see if I could find something else to be excited about. And then I started this new channel about life and philosophy, and I thought that that would be my new thing. I did a few videos there, but that wasn't that exciting either. It was so boring to just sit inside in an office making my videos. I discovered that what I really need to be happy in life is to do something outdoors, something creative, like photography. But I was so bored with macro photography, and it was autumn, so I decided to try street photography. And if you've been following the channel, I've been doing that now for a couple of months. To be quite honest, I'm not as excited about street photography as I was about macro photography when I started that. But still, it is the most exciting thing I have found to replace macro photography. So like, I'm not sure what will happen in 2025. Maybe I will continue with street photography videos and go deeper into that and start enjoying that even more. Or maybe I will find something else to do. But one thing I am fairly certain about, and that is that I love creating videos. I love creating content for YouTube. So I would be pretty surprised if I'm not doing that by the end of next year. Then what I will be making videos about, I think that is a bit of an open question right now. Right now I'm enjoying street photography somewhat, and I'm gonna keep doing that until I stop enjoying it, or until I find something I enjoy more. All in all, I feel very grateful for this year. It has not been without significant challenges, but I don't think any year is, right? Life is hard sometimes, and it has been hard at times this year as well. But I got to spend pretty much all of my time doing things I really want to spend my time doing. Being with family, lots and lots of family time, traveling far and near, exploring destinations with my family, but also doing solo travel, which I really enjoy and need to get away sometimes. And also I passed a couple of really important milestones for me. I reached 100,000 subscribers on this channel, which I didn't really expect I would ever reach when I started this channel. And also I got myself my very own office space. Another thing I really enjoy doing, that I got to spend a lot of time doing, is to run. I had a New Year's resolution to run 1,000 kilometers during 2024, and I kept it. And I've never run that much in a year before. And in the process of that, I also managed to lose 10 kilos of weight, which I'm also super grateful for. And of course, I got to spend a lot of time making YouTube videos, which I do love a lot. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I want to wish you a very happy new year. I want to wish you health, happiness, and success in whatever you're doing. Oh, and one more thing before I forget. I actually start feeling somewhat interested in doing macro photography again. And I think one possibility that is very much possible is that this channel will be a macro photography channel when I have summer, and a street photography channel when I have winter. Maybe that is the best combination, because then by the time I start feeling bored with street photography, spring comes and I can do macro photography, shooting insects for a few months, and then when I start feeling bored with that, it's autumn again and I can return to street photography. So that is what I currently think might happen.